Hi there, students. Bulk, a noun. You can also use it as a verb to bulk, but normally to bulk out or to bulk up. Okay, bulk is a noun meaning size. Something, normally something big, something of a large size, of a large mass. So it was a bulky document. Bulky is the adjective. The bulk of the document was surprising. The bulk of the package was enormous. Okay, so bulk, something of that's large. Very often as well, somebody who's large. He lifted his large bulk out of the chair. Yeah, his bulk was enormous. Okay, so bulk, size, mass, volume, especially something that's very big. Yeah, something that's bulky is difficult to handle. It's unwieldy because it's big. Yeah, it's a very bulky box and difficult to move. Okay, we also use bulk to talk about muscle. Bodybuilders want to bulk up their muscles, to make bigger, yeah, to make larger, or maybe to bulk out, to make bigger, to make fatter. But often to bulk out is when you don't have enough. So my essay's a bit short. I need some more things to bulk it out, to make it larger. Yeah, to make it make it look better, to make it of enough size. The bulk needs to be enough. We also use the bulk to mean the greater part of something. So the bulk of the work is already done, the major part. The bulk of the population buy their food in supermarkets. Okay, so the bulk, the great majority of something. The bulk of his money comes from selling vegetables. And then you have this in bulk, to buy in bulk, not divided into separate parts. It's not packaged in large quantities. Yeah, so a wholesaler will sell in bulk, in large quantities, wholesale, if you like. He buys rice in bulk, yeah, in large quantities. Okay, also bulk, you can use it to talk about dietary fibre. You need more bulk in your diet. You need to increase it. So, the bulk, the size of something. As the snowball rolled down the hill, it gathered bulk. It got bigger. He's got a huge, bulky beer belly. The bulk of his body is enormous. The bulk of something, the major part of something. The bulk of what you're saying is interesting, but there are one or 2 points that I don't think are relevant. The bulk of viewers to this channel are interested in foreign languages. They're interested in learning languages. You need more bulk in your diet, more dietary fibre. You buy in bulk, or you bulk transport, or a bulk container all together, not separated, unpackaged and in large volumes. A bulk cargo, so all together. And then, yeah, you need to bulk up your muscles. He goes to the gym and eats lots of protein to bulk up. Last time I saw him, he was very thin and scrawny, but now he's bulking out. He's getting fatter. They added chalk to the flour, chalk, C-H-A-L-K, to the flour to bulk it out, to give it more volume. So yeah, bulk, a lot of different meanings. I find it a fairly difficult word to pin down exactly completely, but I think I've given the bulk of the meanings. Okay, so bulk. A noun could be an adjective as well, a bulk shipment, a bulk purchase. Could be a verb, to bulk out, to make bigger, to make more robust, to make larger. Or maybe just to swell or expand. As you put the rice in water and it bulks because it absorbs the water. So there you go, bulk. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bulk, and bulky as well.